看一下参会者。先图片完整主持人。好好好。
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, do you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You also want to see me?
Yep, it's very nice. And so today we will mainly for the training for 3 kind of products, and actually they will have a lot of product portfolios, three kind of portfolios. And the first one we will start with by the CO2 incubator, the carbon oxide incubator. And the second one products will be the steam, high pressure steam sterilizer. And the third one will be the liquid nitrogen tank. Okay, so, and the first one I will share the PPT with you, and then because our engineers and the technical teams is here, so after we have a short instruction for the products, you can, if you have any problem or any question, you can directly ask here, and we will leave question times, and then you have a question you can ask, and our engineer here, they will reply your questions. And this is the setting for this time's training, and it will be a brief one. And in the future, we will have more technique training for the certain products. For example, we just will for in one product to make one training. At this time, okay. For the first one, we will start is the search incubator. I will show you here. At present, we have incubators and chambers we'll push to the market. And let's just show you here. Okay, CO2 incubators. Normally now we have 3 models, the CO2 incubator, and I will show you some video, maybe better firstly. And these 3 models, the HCP-168 and HCP-258, these 3 models is present the CO2 incubator. And actually this this is just a product overview, and the main application for the CO2 incubators, culture cell, within a controlled environment that is as close to natural condition as possible. So that is the stable temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. Stable CO2 level is on 5%, and the constant pH. The pH number is 7.2 to 7.4, and the humidity is about 95%. And it's normally in the regular times, this will be a fixed. There will be a fixed. The number is all fixed at the regular time. It's different with the chamber. Next step, we will have new chambers. The constant constant climate chamber. That will be different with this one, and that one you can set the temperature, but this one you cannot. This one temperature will just keep at 37. Okay, and at present these three models we have already all pushed to market. So you can start purchase for these models, for these three models, and this is the application field for the CO2 incubator. Um, you know, the tissue engineered products specially developed for the novel treatments, the IVF place, the cancer research place, this stem cell research, this kind of things, the cell research. They will all use this four kind of application fields will use this equipment. Yeah, this one is the key features of this equipment. It's temperature control and the precise temperature control, the IR, the CO2 sensor inside. They have two sensors inside, and also have 180 degrees dry heat sterilization technology, and easy to clean. Inside they have no sharp corner. This is actually the inner cabinet is pressed by one time, so that is very. They have corners, no sharp corners, so it's very easy to clean, and the quick recovery after door openings, and active heat condensation technology, intelligent controller. And this is for this inside view for this equipment. And here's the selection criteria. Later I will email you all of these things. I will make it faster for these things because these have three products, and so I will make it quicker. And so this one you can check the inside, the contamination prevention. So the inside design is very smoothly, and chamber is managed for stainless steel, and utilizing a laser seamless welding and a plasma electric publish process. So you can see that here they have the seamless welding. So that will be easy for cleaning. And here is the filter. Actually, the high efficiency inline microbial filter. This one is filter. The efficiency is 99.99%. And so this one's normally when we deliver it, filters and these accessories will be put it together with the cargo to deliver to you when you have an order of these. And this one is also the inside the picture for the heating, heating pipe condenser technology, and it will no need, in the bottom, no need that before the old type you need to put a plate in the bottom to put the water. This one no need. This one have this plate, and the bottom is have a curve, and the water will put in the bottom. That will be okay for this new type, and that will be more easy. And another thing is for the dry heat sterilization technology, and these ones, they will use the dry heat. Normally, they will have several kind of sterilization ways for the CO2 incubator. They have 90 degrees, in disinfection ways, and also have the UV light, disinfection ways. But actually, for these three kind of ways, the 180 degrees, this dry heat sterilization way is the best. It's the best ways, and it can completely to do the dry heat sterilization. It's better. It's better than the other two kind of ways, and This is temperature control, the temperature control for the. OK，可以让那个谁回一下，可以直接跟。OK, we will verify the question there, and I think Mr. Chu will reply online. Yeah, you can be here, Mr. Yeah, you can be with Stella. Take a chair here. You can take a chair here. 找个椅子坐这儿吧，坐这儿，然后直接跟他回复吧。You can reply the question here, and the temperature control with the fluctuation range is 0.1 degree. So normally you can see the temperature test point here, and this is the curve, the temperature. Okay, this part is about the new IR sensor. The IR sensor normally they have two IR sensors inside this incubator, and they can make everything, make the temperature, to test the temperature very precise, and this built-in temperature and humidity compensation technology reduce the impaction change with humidity and temperature without the need of a calibration after high temperature sterilization. And 5 calibration yields a higher measuring accuracy and sensitivity, so less drift. Actually, inside this one, they have two main sensors inside, and they also have other 3 other small sensors inside. And later I will send you the Excel list for this spare parts, the spare parts list for this equipment, and you can check. And the quick recovery system. This system is much better, and if you open the door within for 30 seconds, and the CO2 concentration will quickly recover it, and within 4 minutes, and within 4 minutes it will be will recovery. It's a very fast recovery rate, and later we will show you the other brand, compare with this brand, the other brand, how about the recovery. 那个其他的品牌的那个 recovery 的话，开门之后大概是多少分钟能恢复二氧化碳？The other brand, the main brand, normally after you open the door within 30 seconds, normally the CO2 concentration normally restored. Normally will be around 6 to 8 minutes. But our one, this models, this HCP 168 or HCP 80, they can recover it, within 4 minutes. So it's faster than the other brand. And this one we have, a touch screen. So touch screen control is we call it intelligent, interactive and easy touch operation. And so normally you can communicate, have a communication, according to the touch screen control. And on the touch screen, it will have timely, temperature and the humidity situation that was showing on the screen. And you also can touch it and to check the record, the posture record, and for the CO2 situation and the temperature record, you also can find the record. And they also have the warning, if they have problem for the temperature and the CO2's situation, and they will, if they have any problem, they will have alarm. The screen's number will become red at that time. So normally you also can set these parameters, and and we will show you the setting operation. We'll send the operation manual to you for this setting. And if you have special need, you also can keep a note, and we will show you in the futures training, technique training. We will have technique training for every product. This time we just have a brief introduction for this product today. Here's for the control panel. You can see that the control panel, they'll have operation records, setting, operation data, and liquid level. And this will be the control panel's situation. So you can open that and to dial every part to do, announcement function, notepad function, user management, and multi-function alarm. You can check the alarm situation, and that will have the time, So this is the control panel situation for this CO2 incubator. IoT monitors. Actually, we ever sent to IoT model to France and also to Netherlands. I think in their warehouse they have this IoT model. Next time we will especially to send these IoT models, operation ways, and also the installing and testing things to connect with the Netherlands and check the situation. Yeah. For this IoT monitor now in China, we already used a lot, and the IoT model normally is you can provide a real-time data on the setting parameter. Actually, you can use your cell phone. They have an app or website. You can open that in your cell phone to check these incubators' real-time situation. So that is now a very popular using way, and for these incubators like that, I think for the freezers in Uzbekistan, we already sent this kind of IoT models, and they already start to use it. And according to the situation, and we checked, it's very good. The feedback is very good, and the key selling point for this CO2 incubator is this is the selling point, and a reliable growing environment, the quick recovery, and the user-friendly design, and many designs to reduce the risk of contamination, stackable, yep, and a reversible door. So normally the door you can install in the left or install in the right. It's all okay. Dry heat sterilization. This will be the best for the sterilization at present, and easy to clean. Easy to clean is mainly in the inner cabinet. It's seamless in welding, so that will be easy to clean, and anti-condensation and interactive easy operation, and also with the last one is the IoT's models. So okay, I think this one is now in the market situation, and so you see this one, the first case, successful case, is for the Proton Center, National Academy of Military Science. It's in China, and we use our CO2 incubators. You can hear to do the test. This one's the second successful case is the laboratories in Yibang pharmaceutical technology company. It's a pharmaceutical company, and they use these ones to do the test. This is the install. We installed the new models there. This one's also laboratory in Xiamen Biological Technology Company. This in the company, they also use this incubator. And in Beijing, precision technology company, they use, in the laboratory, they use our incubator. This one, Shanghai Jinwei Cell Biotechnology company, they use our one. And here is National Steam Cell Resource Bank, or use this incubator. Here, this one is Beijing Chenjia Biological Technology. They also use our this incubator. This is the installment times for these incubators, and also is about the company at that time. And the KISS 8 is for the universities. See the University of Traditional Medicine, School of Life Science, Hubei University, Zhejiang University, Qingdao University, Hangzhou People's Hospital. This one is a hospital. They all use this incubator, and the market feedback is really is good at present. Yeah, this case 39 is for Wuhan Service Biotechnology, Fujian stem cell, the cell bank. It's a cell bank, and they use this incubator. And Beijing's Likang Precision Biology company, they also use this one. Okay. This is for the CO2 incubator. Do you have any questions for this incubator? If you have any question, you just can ask, or just you can dial your questions in the chat. For the water pan, 水盘可以是吧? It's okay. If customer like to use a water pan, and 他们想 switch off the water sensor, it's okay. It's okay to switch off the water sensor. Yep. And any other questions for this one? Okay, if no other question, we will start another one. So we will show you another product. Like 我们第二个就看那个灭菌器吧。你先别撤，他们有问题的话会再问你。The second one is about the high pressure steam sterilizer. Yeah. This one. Now we only have one model at present, and it's RLM80. And this one just pushed to market, abroad market in April. But last year it's already been sold and started to sell in China. Started sales in China is last year. This year just start to sell to abroad. And this one can normally mainly use in 4 kind of situation and 4 kind of place. The first kind of place is for the community hospitals, And the second place is different kind of clinics, like the eye clinics, like the beauty, what do we call the for the teeth clinics, and they use it to do the sterilization for the the equipment, the consumables, even the clothes. And the third kind of place for the sterilization is mainly uh, for the universities, pharmaceutical factory, biology companies. They were using this kind of place, to do the like the glasses, bottles, or the rubber things, the clothes, this kind of things, sterilization. They will use this equipment. And the fourth place for this equipment is for the CDC, the CDC center. CDC center normally use this equipment to do the sterilization. I will show you the video, maybe better this one. Okay, just this one. This one is the a view for this equipment. Yeah. They have a LCD screen, and the inside will use 304 stainless steel material, and inside capacity is around 80 liter, and it have a horizontal rotary doors, and the door closed is a detection system. We have a detection system. You need to run it and to open it, and this one have a lot of use now in China, actually. And the key feathers, normally they have 11 feathers. They have an LED, adopted touch K LCD display. And the second one is the water injection, and the pressure pulsating exhaust, the warming, sterilization, drains, dry, and the full process automatic program control. Actually, they have a what do we call automatic control. In when you they have four kind of things, four kind of sterilization setting. So when you choose one, they will have the when you choose one, then they will automatically do the work. And the third one is the shortcut K. Shortcut K is for instruments, dressing, rubber, liquid programs for the operation. And the fifth key features is about the automatic control for the fast exhausting and slow exhausting to avoid the overflow of the sterilization liquid. Normally this one is really I will show you the details, and they will have the videos to be made and next week. And the sixth one is after sterilization cycle ends, the booster prompts. So after that, it will be alarm and let you know that you need to finish these things. And okay, the seventh is have a function of timing start up, and the eighth function is built-in water tank. It have a water tank built in. And the ninth one is external drying plate, can effectively and safely dry the sterilized items. And the 10th one is the rotary doors for the opening. And the 11th one is the chamber and door material. It's the 304 stainless steel. And normally after you open the door, and they will be dry very soon. That means the equipment and the inside the baskets. They have two baskets inside. Each basket is around 40 liters. And so if you put it out, the basket will be very, it will also dry very strong. The basket is also made of 304 stainless steel, and the case. This is the case. The case. The first case is a hospital, because this one is new push in the market, and normally this is normally used some small hospital, community hospitals. They will use this one, and this one is the Sichuan's Friendship Hospital. Our engineer is showing how to install and how to use it, the using direction. This is surgery, the plastic surgery hospital. This one is for the case. Case 4 is for the waste management. They will use this one to do the waste sterilization. Okay, this is specification. This one, this is RLM80 similar sterilizer. Actually, this one is 80 liters, and this is the specification. If you have any question, you can ask here, and our engineer, Mr. Yu, is here, and he will reply your questions for this product.行，你放吧，你看怎么放视频吧，放一下视频。哇，过来看一下，给我放一下视频。
没下来是吧？
发下来了，下来了。Okay, let's see that. Okay, I think this is the comparison for the compare with other brand. Now on the market, they have 4 brands. We compare with other 4 brands, and for these 80 liters. For the appearance, and this appearance will be very, very humanity appearance, and a low table RAM option panel. And other one is all in the top, and this one, the case, click start or fix program. We have this program, and other brand don't have, and this is the door opening. Door opening is all horizontal ones, and LCD, and the other 2 is LED. And this is the comparison for the 4 brand. Okay, there will be these ones. High pressure steam sterilizers, brief instruction. Do you have any questions for this? Any questions for these products? We can then we can make it fast. We have 1 hour's times, and we can start the next one. And we can for the third product. The third product is for the liquid nitrogen tank, and the liquid nitrogen tank, they will have a lot of models, and normally for 3 kind. I will open the one. the basic knowledge for the liquid nitrogen tank. Okay. Oh. They have normally for the liquid nitrogen tank containers. Normally now we have three kinds. The first kind is what we call the aluminum alloy one, liquid nitrogen tank container, and another one is large diameter stainless steel containers, and the third one is the self-pressured containers. So the first two aluminum alloy, these small containers, aluminum one and the stainless steel large one. These two is for storage samples, and the self-pressured containers is for storage the liquid nitrogen, and I will show you the video better.对，我们做一下视频吧。我想那个yeah, now we just share with the share with this one. Just share video for this liquid nitrogen tank.
Medical aluminum alloy liquid nitrogen container. HAIER Biomedical's aluminum liquid nitrogen container is independently developed with a unique liquid level measurement system. Each liquid nitrogen tank is linked to the IoT platform, ensuring real-time monitoring of the liquid level and temperature data. It is fitted with a remote alarm, making the use of liquid nitrogen container more safe and secure. The product uses the most advanced high-vacuum multi-layer insulation technology, obtaining an ultra-low liquid nitrogen evaporation rate. Advanced vacuum extraction technology, the service life exceeds 5 years. Equipped with a dual display for temperature and liquid levels, the functional data can immediately be updated to the cloud platform, making it convenient to query and adjust the parameter data. Smart Series. For the Smart Series, the liquid level capacity gauge is added. This monitors in real time the liquid level and temperature, ensuring safety and reliability. Medical Series. For the Medical Series, by combining the functions of low liquid nitrogen consumption and medium-sized storage capacity, these functions give the series strong comprehensive advantages that can meet the different needs of the professional field. Laboratory Series. For the Laboratory Series, it can meet the needs of small storage capacity. It is lightweight and has a small footprint. For example, the samples can be stored in the ultra-low evaporation of liquid nitrogen. The super insulation and vacuum technology ensures storage time of 3 months, economical and convenient. Biological Series. The Biological Series is an economical laboratory small container specifically designed for biological samples that require long-term static storage. The Biotransport Series is an economical small liquid nitrogen container designed for biological samples that require static storage or for transport. HAIER aluminum alloy liquid nitrogen container. Let every liquid nitrogen tank join the cloud era. HAIER Biomedical. Intelligent protection of life science.
Okay, this one is for the alloy the aluminum alloy, and another one I will show you the we can check the big one, the big tank. The big tank one is the stainless steel is mainly used in the biobank. In the biobank, we use this stainless one. I will show you the stainless.
HAIER Biomedical Steam.
I will show the stainless steel one's video for the introduction.
HAIER Biomedical Stainless Steel Liquid Nitrogen Container, Biobank Series. HAIER Biomedical Stainless Steel Liquid Nitrogen Container is suitable for multiple varieties of cryogenic storage. The product is equipped with a monitoring terminal to observe the liquid level and the temperature inside the tank, and together with the overlimit alarm function, it can automatically control the liquid supplement, making it safe and reliable. Automated cryogenic liquid storage system features a high-quality stainless steel body, smart appearance, and extensive service time. It has a large diameter opening, large capacity, low evaporation, which ensures convenience and safety for sample storage. 5 universal casters, good load bearing, convenient, easy to move, and the braking function ensures a safe environment. Advanced technology ensures the safety of sample and low liquid nitrogen consumption. At the same time, the use of the intelligent control system provides greater convenience and security. Gas liquid, 2-phase, free switching. With a unique structural and software control design, the gas phase and liquid phase can be switched with ease. Full range, high precision, liquid level measurement. World-leading unique dual level sensor. Real-time measurement of the liquid nitrogen level. Complete process control with accuracy measurement within ±8 millimeters. Visual touchscreen design. With a 10-inch LCD touchscreen and a visual operating system, the operation is simpler, more flexible, comprehensive, and clear. Connect HAIER IoT to achieve unified management. When connected with HAIER IoT platform, multi-product unified management is available through the platform, making it easy to operate. With long-term data storage, you can view and print at any time. Liquid nitrogen replenishment. Automatic replenishment system. Throughout the intelligent terminal system, 2 modes of automatic and manual replenishment systems are available. Automated assisted lifting device to take sample. Automatic remote control lifting, ensuring 340 degrees free rotation extraction. More efficient, safer, preventing low temperature ice formation. HAIER Biomedical Stainless Steel Liquid Nitrogen Container utilizes internationally renowned accessories. The welding seam of tank body is formed by imported, automated welding machine, and the welding seam is uniform and impressive. On the basis of producing innovative products, HAIER Stainless Steel Container is a national patented product which has been developed for the needs of many industries. HAIER Biomedical, intelligent protection of life science.
Hello. Okay. This one is okay. We're back, and for this 2 video is for the YDS and the YDD. These 2 series, the introduction, and actually for the liquid nitrogen tank, is normally for the YDD series is used a lot in the biobank, and so I will just to share with you This one. These three kind of YDZ, YDD, and YDS model now we have, and storage type, they have totally six kind of storage type. The transportation type, we have the dry shippers, the dry shipper series, the YDH series, and also have the high capacity, the small one, YDS series, small ones. And for the biosample storage equipment, normally you can check on this form. It have different kind of temperature zone, and the coastal one is, normally we see is 2 to 23 degrees, minus 20 to minus 40, minus 50, minus 80 to minus 152. Different kind of zone. It stores different purpose, and for the miners, for the miners 136 to minus 190, this one you will start to use these containers, liquid nitrogen container. Normally, this kind of storage, use the liquid nitrogen container. They will use to storage the sperms, cells, blood, and living specimens, the samples. And so this the sample storage equipment, the temperature interval, and also to the purpose. I will share this to you all. And so normally for this kind of liquid nitrogen tank, they will mainly use in the biobank or some kind of biology laboratories. They will use it to store the samples. And okay, here's the main application for the use area. The agriculture sector, they will use this liquid nitrogen tank, especially for especially when they have animals, the cattle or horse or other animals. They want to do this frozen sperm, and also the plant says they want to use to long-term preservation. They will use the liquid nitrogen tank, and also the healthcare used for the cryogenic production of the blood samples and cells.
Let it dry. No, I'm gonna let it dry. I tried putting on stuff and it stung like fuck, so I'm just gonna let it dry because it's not. It was awful soggy and it's beginning to dry up, and at least I can begin to wear clothes and stuff when it's dried up.
Yeah, well,
Yep.
just that protects, keeps all the.
Yep, and the scientific.
He can't see.
Can't hear you.
Yep. If you have any question, you can just dial in the chat area. Then we will collect your question and to reply you on the chat part. Yeah. For the scientific research and other sectors, it's also use it, and also the industry and the food, and actually now our for some high grade seafood or make ice cream, this is in the food areas use, and we have made a ice cream machine by the liquid nitrogen one. That is not the regular one. The regular one we are mainly used for the storage of the samples now. This is the area, 4 areas for the liquid nitrogen tank used. Okay. YDD. This YDD large tank, normally we have these models, they have 9 models actually. This is according to the volume and the neck opening diameter. You can see that the name, the name is YDD, and use the volume, 850 liter. Then they will put the 850 in the middle, and in the back, that number is for the neck opening diameter. For this model, the opening diameter is 465 millimeters. So this model's name is, like YDD 850465. This is the name principle. They use these kind of ways to make the name, the model name for every model. And the applicable scenario is, really, as we just said in the last page, the four kind of scenario is all can use, four kind of places all can use this equipment for the storage of samples, the biological material, vaccines, reagent, etc. And this one have CE and MGD certification, so there's no worry about everything. This is some technique part. I will email you actually. This one, inside design, and it's a little bit complicated. So if you have any problem further for the technical one, then next time we will make a technical training. I will let the engineer and prepare the equipment on the site, and to show you the technical training next time. But this time, just see that is the main part, especially for the liquid inlet system. That next time, for I think the engineer need to have the technician need to have a training for this part. And the product advantage, there many have six advantages. The virtual sample management, the LCD screen. The LCD actually, the LCD screen, touch screen control system. This one, when you have an order or something, you can use it. You also can not use it. It depends on your need. But according to present situation is to best to order that. We have the touch screen monitoring system. Then the model name is N700. I think Ireland and Ireland already ordered, and also the France. I think France also have orders for this kind of YDD tank. You can check. This one is very, for the LCD screen control one is popular now. You can use, and the second one is the real-time accurate monitoring of the temperature and liquid level, and in this touch screen, and you can just you can check it, and it can link. This system can link to your WeChat or SMS alarm. It can link to your laptop or your cell phone, because they have IoT model. If you want to open that, then you can you can get the real-time monitoring function. And the third one is hot gas bypass function. And the fourth one is the design of both liquid and vapor phase storage. So the both kind of storage are okay. Liquid or vapor phase is all available. And the fifth feature is the low energy consumption and a more stable container performance. And the sixth one is dry wet separation. And inside they have an independent design for liquid inlet system and dry wet separated. It can be separated inside. And yeah, here you can see that this one in the product advantage, this part is through the IoT functions, and it's many through the LCD screen, and also the model, the IoT model there, and so it can link to the IoT platform with the beam system. Yeah, this is we will show you next time when we do the technical training. Our engineer will show you how to operate it, and next time in the next training, technical training. And This one's the inter construction is stainless inside, and also have a panel design. It's very easy to just to take the sample there, and the display screen design is a control. It's a touch screen control, touch screen, and you can check the real-time situation for this inside, for this containers inside situation. And okay, here also have the opening design. The opening design is lead opening armrest design. So this is the manifold design. You can check it. Here's the inner, also the details for these big containers, just to make it faster. And here you can check if the vapor phase storage, vapor phase storage, and liquid phase. Liquid phase you need to fulfill it, and the vapor phase just in the bottom. At the bottom you just put the liquid nitrogen there. So for the storage of the samples, and here have the canisters inside. And later I will also email you the form. We have a form for the situation, the vapor phase storage details, and the advantages for the vapor storage compared with the liquid phase storage. Yeah, can avoid across contaminations of the storage samples, can reduce the potential accidental injury caused by liquid nitrogen operations, and also can minimize the liquid nitrogen operation loss, and also can realize quick access to samples and reduce sample access operation time. This is the vapor phase storage, the air can storage. This is the control system. The control system is by a 10-inch display screen, and it's very easy to operation, and it's a big one, big touch screen, and multimodal functional design for operation. So you can just find the most of the you can find all the functions there in this touch screen and try to operate it. The various alarm, the self diagnosis functions, and a cloud monitoring management center. You also can find it here linked with the IoT models to use your cell phone or laptop to manage this, to check monitoring or check this inside the samples for this container. Okay. The IoT advantage. Okay, and I think next time we'll show you this one. That will be more easier. Here you can see this one. This is a alarm, perfect alarm function, and here have high liquid level alarm, low liquid alarm. They have AB pawn. The pawn high in the higher part they have a pawn, and the lower part they have a pawn, and they will test the 2 pawns timely temperature. If they have any problem for the temperature in the top or in the bottom, they will have alarm, and they will have alarm. And yeah, liquid replenish time out alarm, heat discharge. Anyway, this is the alarm. I will show you. I will transfer to you for this alarm. And it's with this system, with this IoT system N700 model, with this one, they can make it automatically refilling and refilling, because before normally it's manual filling and refilling it, but this one, with this system, it can be automatic refilling after you link it with a YDZ liquid nitrogen container. Yep. This is the system. Yep. So the product, the monitoring instrument, the repeater, the cloud platform. Then you can you can reach this the storage. Yeah. Okay. So here's the bio series application scenario and vial sample storage solution, the straw sample storage solution, and the blood sample storage solution. These three kind of solutions. And then for the transportation, sometimes in the biobank or or the biology, some laboratories, if you want to transfer the samples, and with a very low temperature, you need this trolley. This trolley, also inside you will put the liquid nitrogen, and you put the samples in it and transfer from one department to another department, or from one storage part to another storage part. So this trolley is like a transfer box, like this one, just for the transferring of the samples. Okay, this one we will no need. That is the big projection. Okay, this will be the self-pressured, the self-pressured one, the self-pressured liquid nitrogen tank is mainly for storage the liquid nitrogen. And so this in industry last year we ever sold to a factory. Normally they just use this big self-pressured tank to storage the liquid nitrogen, and they are not used for the YDD or something to offer the liquid nitrogen to YDD storage sample. Not that, they just used to some industry use. And so this advantage for our self-pressured supply container. Normally they'll have this four advantages: easy liquid nitrogen filling, the fast self pressurization and convenient operation, high safety and reliable, and the good material and high strength. This is the four advantages. And this is the usage, the regular usage. You can see that the normally used way is the YDZ, and use a hose to link with the YDD tank, to offer the liquid nitrogen into the YDD storage container. So to use it to this is normally the way. So when our bio bank, they want to buy a YDD, the stainless steel storage container, normally they will also need to buy the YDZ one. At present, we have two kinds. One is the key series for the self-pressure container. One is the key series. Another one is the general series. The key series and general series different is the key series will have automatic management system, and have the digital display liquid level gauge, on that. This is the self-pressure supply containers instruction for use, and actually there I have I will just transfer to you this the forbidden ways when we do the technique training, and actually there have a lot of operation direction attentions needed. We to be careful on that. This one is the continuous operation instruction. The first one is the liquid nitrogen filling. You open the exhaust valve and close the pressurization valve, and then to drain the valve to reduce pressure gauge, rating the containers to 0, and then remove the screw plugs of the liquid nitrogen injection port with a wrench. Okay, this one, this fourth step, we will show you by a video and next time for the technical training. So you just at present just know that they have four step, yeah, for liquid nitrogen fading and pressurization, and drainage and pressure relief. This normally to the use for this self-pressure containers operation, and this four also static storage and handling. And okay, and the self this one, they have many valves, and the automatic replenishment hose connection must be installed with a solenoid valve. And meanwhile, while the running of this in this mode, it must be guaranteed that the exhausting valve of the self-pressurization replenishment container is closed. Actually, this one they will let our engineer to do the training, to do the technical training. Next time, technical training we will offer to you, for these valves, the functions and the operation ways. This is the main competitors. The main competitors now for the liquid nitrogen tanks. The brand, the American brand. As we know that have MVE, and also have Tyler, Walton, and also have Thermal. This three brand. And in China, the first one was in China. We also have the Chengdu Golden, Phoenix. This one is also this company is already belong to the MVE. It's merged by the MVE. Yep. And here, the highest one, the branch company is Sichuan Haisheng. It's actually is HAIER Biomedicals company, 100%, and also has the Gold SIM, and Sichuan Yaxi, Yunxin Aviation, and Laishan Dongya. This eight companies, the many brand, the many competitors now in the market, and they also have some small domestic brand, foreign brand are not listed. Only listed current main competitors on here. The main competitors, the eight ones. This one is for the comparison. The competition product, the comparison with the other brand, with the MVE, and the compare brand and model, the HAIER's YDD 850565 to compare with MVE. MVE is 1542R190, and the comparative content and purpose. It will be made from various parameters: liquid nitrogen tank-like storage capacity, temperatures, stability, and actual liquid nitrogen consumption, and so on. These kind of terms to compare their ability. Which is better. You can confirm these kind of specifications, and okay. This is the systems compare. There's one. This in the middle, there's HAIER, and the MVE system interface is like the right one. It's very old model, and highest one is the LCD touch screen controlled one, and the language, the operation language. Actually, this one we already have. We already have English one, English operation system language already have English ones, and it's touch screen and the temperature curve, all have on the operation system. History alarm you also can get from the system, and the manual fitting is also okay, and it also can automatic. It also have the automatic fitting, and also have hot gas pipes. Yeah, you can see the MVEs and also the golden SIMs. We have uh, for the function, the highest function have the most of the function we have compared with MVE and the God SIM. This one is for the, under the condition that the floor space is basically the same. Highest operation height is the most moderate among these the three brands. It's it's easy. It's easy to bring it out. Easy to bring it out. Yeah. And here you also have the parameter. The height is the outer diameter, the freezing rank height, and operation height. Is the operating height is lower than the other two. It means it will be easier. To bring the canister out. It will be easy for the operating. The average daily consumption of the liquid nitrogen. So it's just you can check this data. You will know our YDD, this model, the YDD stainless steel, this liquid nitrogen tank, the liquid nitrogen consumption is lower. Is the lowest. Is only 7.8. Compared with highest, the MVE will spend more. They will spend the most. They are 8.8, and the golden same is 8.3 something, 8.37. So the consumption is lower. Highest is lower, and save the liquid nitrogen. This comparison is for the parameters comparison table, and this one I will also show you, and you can check. And so for the you can see that for the out diameter tank, for the height, for the empty weight, you can check this for the advantage for this tank. Numbers for the square canister, we can put 16. At the same time, same only can put 8. So this is all the advantages I will send to you. This is the contrast, the plug body, and so the red part is the advantage compared with the other three products. Yep. And the plug body is high strength, not easy to be broken. The other three ones, the plug body is not so strength. And operation platform is also optional. Platform is, we have two platform size for you to choose. And also the touch display screen is 10-inch, very big, the big one, big touch screen. And so you can it will be easier to do the operation on the touch screen. And touch scratchers, both gas and liquid phases can be used. Yeah. So compare for this one, for the MVE and the thermos one, they will only use the gas only the gas phase. They only have the gas phase. They don't have the liquid phases. And the model, and compare with their models, we have 13 models. We have 13 models for the YDD series, and it's a very wide range of operation. And so, and there will be more choice for you to choose the right model when you do it, when you have a tender or something. This one is the max storage. Compare with others. This one will check the storage of the cryo tubes. See that one, the HAIERs, the same kind of the storage HAIERs will be the most for this model. It will be more than 94,875 cryo tubes, the 2 milliliters tubes in the YDD 1,800. Yep, this is the comparison. I will send to you. You can check the details. So, okay, this is today is for the liquid nitrogen tank. Okay. Okay, for the trolley, and if you want to, according to Thomas said, for the trolley, yeah, I will send you, I will email you all the information, and I think I ever emailed the leaflet for that, and actually we also have the specification list. I will email you, and for these models, if you have any questions, just leave a message to me or email me, and I will offer the relevant information to you. Okay. So anybody have any question? And then our engineers online here, so they can reply you. Okay. Okay. Yep. Okay, please check the chat, please. And our engineer already replied on the text place for this question. Okay. Anybody have any more questions, please? Stella, okay.对，那个 IoT model we sent to, I think, Netherlands have, Netherlands have the IoT model for the CO2 incubator. We ever sent two pieces, I think, for the last order, and for the I think France also have France team also have the IoT models, and Ireland team don't have Ireland team don't have this, because the CO2 incubator, and last year we sent to France and Netherlands, they have. Ireland don't have this IoT model, and I will contact with them and see, prepare for them, And for that is for this CO2 incubator. Yep. Yeah, I will email the IoT models installation direction to all of you, and then also for these files, and also for these training files, and then we can check. If you have any question, just ask me. I will collect all the question. I will collect all the question, and then I feed back to our engineer, and we can make another technique training. The technique training will be on the side in the factory. So we will put a model, a special model out, and then we just will be show you with the model together. That will be easy to check the real thing, and make you understand these things well. Okay. Anybody, any other question for these three kind of products today? So I think today mainly we have just showed three kind of products. The first one is the CO2 incubator. We have three model now, and the second product is about the high pressure Steam Sterilizer. It's only have one model now, I know, but we have some new model is under design. It's under design, and someone is under test. So in the future, and especially next year, we will have more models for the high pressure Steam Sterilizer, and for the liquid nitrogen tank, and we have as we just showed, we have a lot of models, and so the products portfolio for the liquid nitrogen containers really is enough. I think it's a good to fit the market need. And compare with the competitors, our portfolio is also more than them. The product models also more than them. So if you have any need for the biobank, project, hospital, factories, agriculture, every kind of channels, if you have any need for these products, liquid nitrogen containers, you also can let us know. Okay, they have a question for the incubator. And okay, so today is mainly these three kind of products. And today I not, just not show you the real details for the products. And because normally if we just check the detail, they have too many things, and within 1.5 hours really cannot finish. And so today I just show the product and its main point, the main selling point, and the main information of the product. And you just have a feeling about these products. And that's and if you any product you are very interested, you just and you have any questions, you just email us, email me or Stella, and we will we will arrange the technique training next step. The technique training will for the per product. For example, if you want to know the training, if you want to know the technique for the CO2 incubator, and next time we will bring the incubator out, just one equipment. We will open that, and we will show the whole operation, and also the this product, the situation. We'll show the real things there, and to check every details one by one with you, and you will know it better that time. Okay. Any other question today? And if no other problem, now it's already there will be near 1.5 hours. I think today's training will be finished. So Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much for today's training. And if just keep contact, and let's just email and keep in touch. And yeah, let's just wait for the next time's technique training. The technique training will do by our engineers, and also welcome you to join the technique training next time. I will email you the technique trainings plan, and I think it will be in June and July for the technique training. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Thank you. Thank you for joining this training. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Bye bye.